That's the conch. Gotta get the conch first.
Come here, right? Let's give it back.
All right.
Traditional, right?
Yep. So what's a tropical? What's the difference?
Mango pineapple.
Mango pineapple?
That's it.
Gotcha.
A little bit of salt. And a little bit of spice. Salt and arrow.
Okay.
And a
Oh
little
yeah.
bit of it.
You put the whole thing you want.
Sweating right
Oh
now.
yeah, we can take the heat.
Yeah, your daughter will dry heat the room. Put you in the shower. Where guys from?
South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Yeah, the U.S. Yep.
Was he hot headed?
Yeah.
Was he hotter than here?
Sometimes. Hot but dry, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Ain't much trees there.
Yeah.
That's building.
All buildings.
It's your first time trying it?
Say what now?
It's your first time trying it?
Oh yeah, yeah. It is. We do it similar, but never conch. You know, never had a conch. Yeah. It's always
When you taste
oysters.
this now, you can be like, damn, this almost tastes the same, man.
Yeah. Always had
It's
oysters.
like almost the same thing. Because this tastes just like oysters, calamari.
Gotcha. Yeah, because that's how we do it.
See, put the whole thing.
So we very, very spicy.
Everything hot.
Everything hot, yeah. 'Cause if it's not hot, it's not good, you know?
Man, I can't eat hot like that. I can't eat hot. You come on the wrong way. Might be in the bathroom like, oh my God, how these Chinese do that?
That's the end of the trip right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Appreciate it. Thank you so
man.
much.
Give a picture of the shell. Look good.
There you go. That's the conch. You got a picture?